Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This video today is part of the monthly Flippin Friday challenge hosted by Jaime from Board or Bananas. And I'm going to do something to flip these lampshades. I have a ceiling fan with 3 lamps, and when it's sadly died, I rescued the lampshades. And I'm going to work with 2 of them. I'm still thinking what I'm going to do with this one. First thing I did was to paint them with one of my favorite paints, sorry, which is this stone texture finish Rust-Oleum paint, which is awesome, as I always say. You can see that they look beautiful. Then I'm going to use this part of a candle holder that my daughter and I found in the dumpsters. We are dumpster divers and our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It is going to be linked in the description box along with the link to Jaime's channel and the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. When I decided to make this kind of pillar, I needed to cut the candle holder in half. This is a lid of a candle that we also found in the dumpster. We found these butterflies, 3 of them in the dumpster also. So I cut that part and I made this piece, and then I kept this for another occasion. The occasion is today. I found this piece that I have no idea where it came from, honestly, no idea. But this fits perfectly here. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't even need to glue it. As you can see, I painted, this was the original color, and I painted it with another of my favorite paints, which is Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover Paint Primer Flat White. Everything that you see painted in white in this video is with this paint. But before adding this piece to the base, I'm going to decorate it with these rings that are for bathroom curtains. So I'm going to add one at the bottom. Oh, I have hot glue in my hand, in my finger. It's hot, I can assure you that. Here it is. And I'm going to add another one on top. I can't close them, but this is not going to be seen, so no problem with that. Oh, I burned my finger. So now it's going to be easier, hopefully. And here we go. I also want to add one in the middle, in the center of this piece, of this part of the candle holder. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Yes. I'm going to glue the ring. I think it's going to be easier. I don't want to burn myself again, so I'm being really careful. And here we go. Okay, now I have to insert this in this hole. I can close it. Oh yeah, it looks better. And now I have to add another ring to the rim of this lampshade. And I'm going to glue the lampshade to the base I'm going to use, for now I'm going to use hot glue, but then I'm going to reinforce it with E6000. And here we have one piece finished, and then later I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish this one. Now I'm going to work with this one, and I'm also going to add another of these rings that they are clear. I spray painted them, and I'm going to add this to the ring very carefully because I already broke one and I don't want to break another one. And again, excuse my shaking hands. Some of you know already. If you don't know, I suffer from essential tremors. It's not serious, but it's really uncomfortable because make my hands shake a lot. So I think this is better this way because I can see where I'm placing the candlestick, candle holder. Again, I'm going to use E6000 later to reinforce everything, but for now it will have to do with the hot glue. Okay, I'm going to remove this excess, and we have this piece finished. And this is mainly it for these two pieces of decor that I'm going to decorate right now, and I'm going to show you how they look. Well, here they are. As you can see, I added a flameless candle and some flowers that are also from the dumpster. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you to Jaime for hosting this challenge. Thank you to all the other participants. Please visit the playlist and Jaime's channel. And thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.